Have you ever wondered how shoes are made in factories? Shoes are an important part of our daily life. We wear them at work, during sports, and while traveling. Every day, millions of shoes are produced around the world, using modern machines and skilled factory workers. In this video, we will take you inside a modern shoe manufacturing factory and show you the complete step-by-step process, from raw materials to the final packed product. Let's begin. Raw materials. Shoe production starts with carefully selected raw materials. Different types of shoes require different materials. Leather is commonly used for formal and casual shoes because it is strong and long-lasting. Fabric and mesh materials are often used in sports shoes to provide breathability and comfort. Rubber and foam are used for soles and cushioning. Strong stitching threads are used to hold all parts together. High-quality raw materials play a very important role in shoe comfort, durability, and overall performance. Design and cutting. Before production begins, shoes are first designed. Using advanced computer software, designers create digital models that define the shoe's size, shape, style, and structure. This step ensures that every shoe looks identical and fits perfectly. Once the design is approved, the cutting process begins. Automatic cutting machines use sharp blades or laser technology to cut leather and fabric with high precision. This reduces material waste and increases production speed while maintaining accuracy. Stitching process. After cutting, all shoe parts are sent to the stitching section. Here, the shoe upper is stitched together. Industrial sewing machines are used to join different pieces, such as the toe, sides, and heel area. Skilled workers carefully guide the material through the machines to ensure clean and strong stitches. Good stitching is very important because it improves shoe strength and prevents damage during use. This step gives the shoe its recognizable shape and design. Sole making. While the upper is prepared, shoe soles are made separately. Soles are usually made from rubber, EVA foam, or synthetic materials. The raw material is heated and placed into metal molds. These molds shape the sole under high heat and pressure. After molding, the soles are cooled down to maintain their shape. Extra material is trimmed, and the soles are checked for flexibility and grip. Strong and well-designed soles provide comfort, balance, and shock absorption. Assembly process. Now comes the assembly stage, where the upper and sole are joined together. First, industrial glue is carefully applied to both surfaces. The upper is then placed on top of the sole with perfect alignment. Pressing machines apply pressure to create a strong bond. In some factories, stitching or heat sealing is also used for extra strength. This step ensures the shoe stays intact even after long-term use. Finishing and cleaning. After assembly, shoes move to the finishing section. Here, workers remove extra glue marks, clean the edges, and polish the surface. Laces, insoles, and brand logos are added at this stage. Each shoe is visually inspected to ensure it meets factory standards. Finishing gives the shoe a clean, professional look before it reaches customers. Quality control. Before packing, every shoe goes through strict quality control checks. Shoes are bent and pressed to test flexibility. Sizes are measured to ensure accuracy. Some shoes are tested for comfort, grip, and durability. If any defect is found, the shoe is either repaired or rejected. Only shoes that pass all quality tests move to the final stage, packing and shipping. Finally, approved shoes are sent to the packing section. Each pair is placed inside a branded box, along with labels and tags. Boxes are sealed and stacked in warehouses. From here, the shoes are shipped to stores and customers around the world. This is how modern factories produce high-quality shoes efficiently and at large scale every single day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy factory process videos, and manufacturing content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more amazing production process videos.